we are again on board of the BMW K1600 GTL, and today I'm riding with my wife. I don't know if you can see that in the mirror. She's behind me. We are doing a little commute, the two of us, while our daughter is in her grandmother, and just enjoying the motorcycle, because tomorrow I will have to return it. Boom boom, boom boom! I just passed the hole, and with this suspension, it's like it didn't exist. It's super comfortable, the motorcycle, for both of us to travel. It's an amazing motorcycle. The things I forgot to mention, I already told you in the review video that this is the full pack, so I do have the keyless. It's in my pocket, and with that key in my pocket I can lock all the compartments of the motorcycle. When I press once, every compartment here, this one here on the sides, all the top case and the side cases, everything with one click. Second click, I activate the alarm. I can also close the top case and everything by just pressing this button here. It also closes the top cases. But just to show you that, because I forgot to mention one thing that I mentioned wrong in that video. It was on the dashboard of the configuration where it was HSC Pro, where I said it was traction control. It was not. It is not. It's hill climb assistance, which basically means whenever I stop on a hill or going down on, or I stop going up on a hill or down on a hill, the motorcycle detects that inclination and activates that assistance for you, which means that you don't need to have your hands on any of the brakes. Just take control of the throttle, start to accelerate, leave the clutch lever, and the motorcycle will go without any problems. That's one thing I wanted to mention. You guys already listened to the horn on this motorcycle on that review, but I'm gonna do it again here on this area, just to wake up these people. This one, it's like a truck horn. Everyone will listen to you and everyone will move out of the way whenever you are passing, and I used it yesterday while I was in the middle of traffic, and trust me, it does work really well. We also have these deflectors here on the front, on this side and on the other side the same, which basically helps you redirect the wind for this area here, so you have more wind in your chest. It's gonna depend if it is too hot, if it is cold, or whatever you want. At least you have the option to redirect the wind and make your ride as comfortable as possible for you. So I'm just gonna close the deflector. We have another one on this side. I'm not gonna open because I don't need it. It's too hot today. The seats, I already told you, super comfortable, heated seats, either mine and today with my wife. She's, like I said, she's over there. You guys have to look at the mirror, and trust me, I'm not riding alone. Today we are just on a little commute, watching the sceneries. We went out for lunch, and now we are returning home. I do like on the motorcycle, it's that we do not have a chain on this motorcycle. It's one of the best things. I don't have to be worried about lubrication, stretching the chain and all that stuff. It's no, I forgot the word in English, but I'll pass a B-roll on top, and you guys know what I mean. There is no chain here, so everything, it's more smooth, more comfortable, more relaxing, at least for me, that I like to do the least things possible on the motorcycles that I own. Like I said, I do reviews. I'm not a mechanic, so I really just enjoy riding. Whenever there is something problem, I go to the mechanics, and they are the ones who have to know how everything works under the hood and under everything. The radio, I forgot to mention, but the antennas, there is no antennas speaking out on this model, because all of the antennas are inside of the fairing, and that's another thing that the previous model had. You have over there near the top case an antenna sticking out. This one, everything, it's inside. And basically these are the things that I forgot to mention on my review of the motorcycle. I just wanted to compliment, and since tomorrow I'm gonna deliver the motorcycle, at least I had time to do this second video, and I hope it was helpful for you guys. If it was, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, follow my other networks, and I really hope I can see you in the next one. Bye!